Hello guys, today we will learn how to add a groom hair to our dash model. This is a easy and pretty much easy class for making a groom hair for our dash character. So let's begin. For a perfect hair groom, we first of all we have to go to our skeleton mesh here, and in our skeleton mesh we just search the head, and you can see this is the head. And also we are search from here. Okay, so this is our head bone, and we are just add a hair socket here. How to add a socket? Just right click to the bone and select add socket. This will make a socket and rename it to hair. And now head back to our BP illa here and select our illa character here. We are add a groom. The search groom, you can see there is option groom here, and we rename it to here. To confirm the parent socket, so we are search the hair socket here. You can see we are add the parent socket to our hair socket, and now we are selecting our groom asset, and you can see, and also we need to stop the animation looping here. Drag it to his head. Okay, I think this is pretty much said. Okay, this is right. Okay, and now I just go to our animation blueprint here and select our animation blueprint, and you can see our character is perfectly have a hair groom now, and it's a dynamic hair. Compile it. Now if we hit play, you can see our hair is work perfectly, but you can see this is moving so fast. So fix this, we have to head back to our hair groom here. In the hair groom here, and make this enable the simulation here, and also in here we have to make it 2. Now if we hit play, and you can see this is perfect here for our character. This is perfect for me for demonstration. You can uh, make your own by customizing these settings here, cheapness. So now by this you can use this hair perfectly, perfect and perfectly aligned to our character body.